Good morning, everyone. I am D. Sengotain, Assistant Professor of Physics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, our case study topic is NTT, non-testative testing. That means testing the material or sample without damaging. So, in order to evaluate the component without causing damage is the principle of non-testative testing, that is NTT, non-testative inspection or non-testative evaluation. It is a highly valuable technique that can save both money and time in product evaluation. The next part is introduction of NTT. So NTT is the process of inspecting, testing or evaluating the materials or components. Then without destroying the serviceability of the part of the system. In other words, when the inspection or test is completed, the part can still be used. So normally there are different types of NTT techniques are available. That means liquid penetrator testing or magnetic particle testing, ultrasonic testing and radiography testing. So these all are the different types of NTT non-testative testing technique methods. So today we are going to study about ultrasonics testing by using ultrasound. So we already know that ultrasonics are high frequency sound waves, that is more than 20,000 Hz. Now, ultrasonic testing is a type of non-testative testing techniques based on the propagation of ultrasonic waves into the object or material tested. In most common ultrasonic applications, ultrasonic testing applications, very short ultrasonic pulse waves with center frequencies ranging from 0.1 to 15 Hz and up to 50 MHz are transmitted into the material to detect the internal flaws. The ultrasonic testing conversion of electrical pulse to mechanical vibrations and the conversion of return mechanical vibration back into electrical energy is the basis of ultrasonic testing. The active element is the transducer. It converts the electrical energy to mechanical vibrations. So this phenomenon is used by piezoelectric effect. In ultrasonic testing, ultrasound transducer connected to a machine is passed over the object being inspected. So the ultrasonic testing, ultrasonic pulse passing transmit through the material, then they are inspecting the material. This is one type of ultrasonic NTT non-testative testing, testing the sample. So this diagram shows that the testing of sample, that is by using ultrasonic inspection. So the transducer fixed above the material, then the transducer transmits the sound energy, the sound transmitted through the material. In case any defect or changes produced or defect identified inside the material, the pulse also changed. There are two types of ultrasonic testing methods. First one is pulse echo system, second through transmission method. So pulse echo system, it is very simple. The transmitter pulse transmitted through the material, then echo also received from the same end, then the transmitter pulse and receiver pulse also seeing in the CRO portal. So the second diagram shows that the ultrasonic pulse system, that is first one is transmitter, the last one is receiver pulse. In case any defect or any change inside the material, that will be identified in the pulse changes. So that is second pulse shows that the defect echo. So ultrasonic waves are generated by piezoelectric oscillator by using piezoelectric effect, then transducer which converts the electrical oscillation into mechanical vibration and vice versa. So basic principle of ultrasonic testing, then that graph shows that the flaw detection, the initial pulse and back pulse, that is transmitter pulse and receiver pulse. In case any defect or changes are produced, the transmitter pulse and receiver pulse and the extra flaw reflection, that is defect pulse also received from the other end. So these all are the important types of ultrasonic testing methods. So basically we are using ultrasonic testing or visual inspection or magnetic particle testing or liquid dye penetrant testing. These all are the testing methods, testing the material without any damage. So these testing methods are efficient by using any other type of testing methods. By using these types of methods, testing the sample is very important. So if you using ultrasonic testing, pulse also produced by the transducer. In case transducer fixed one end, that is called that is known as ultrasonics pulse echo system. In case transducer fixed one end to another end, that is transmitter come receiver, that is called pulse echo method. So finally we can use ultrasonic testing more efficient than the other testing method, that is sound pulse transmitted through the material. Okay, thank you so much. Next hour we will see about magnetic particle testing or dye penetrant testing.